Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So this is my TLX when I first bought it. This was it sitting in the back lot of the dealership I bought it from. Really dusty. It was never actually even driven. I was the first one to drive it, so it was an exciting time for sure. But new news came out just a few days ago that Acura might be killing off the Acura TLX here. And we know everything's switching to EV, and that's kind of the way Honda is moving towards right now. And Acura is as well, because you know the EV they just came out with. Along with the conversion to EV, the TLX never really took off. They actually reported through 2 quarters of this year, 2024. So, and this is as of July, they only sold 4,211 units. And that's all of them, no matter if it's a Type S or whatever. That's not a lot of vehicles in 2 quarters for the whole United States. And that's part of the reason why, at least where I live, I never even see any. I've seen one in probably 4 months, which is kind of a bummer because, like I said, I really enjoy this car. I like how it has the powertrain that the 2.0 Accord had. So it has the strong 2.0 motor, which I like, and I love the 10-speed transmission. Works really well together, puts the power down, and if you're easy with it, it can get you some decent mileage. So nothing's been 100% confirmed yet, but it does look like this vehicle probably won't be around much longer. I mean, you've seen that in the past too. A lot of the vehicles, I mean, they had the TSX. I actually owned one, which was really nice. And then they had the ILX come out, and then they did away with that, and then they brought the Integra back. So this TLX has been kind of back and forth through the years. The only reason I could see it not doing well is because of the price point. I mean, these cars sticker, this one when I bought it, I think the window sticker showed 47,000 and some odd cents. But the new one, the identical model, is over 50 now. Now it's like 51,000, and this is a few years old. That's a lot of money to spend for a sedan when the market for sedans is shrinking all the time anyway, because the crossovers is where the market's going, and it's been like that for some years now. So I was kind of disappointed to hear about it. I want to keep mine until the wheels fall off. I enjoy it. Like I said, what I like about it is has the powertrain of the 2.0 Accord with the same transmission, but then you get the all-wheel drive, which is really nice in this vehicle. And not just for wet weather, it handles great on dry pavement around corners. It really pushes you through, totally different than the 2.0 Accord. That's where the biggest difference is. I mean, this thing weighs quite a bit more, but the all-wheel drive helps manage that weight. So again, nothing is 100% certain, but the rumors are going around that at the end of 2025, the TLX will be no more. So if that's the case, this refresh might be the last of its kind. So if anybody's wanting to pick one up, I wouldn't wait around much longer, because more than likely with how everything is going, the gas prices, the push for EV vehicles, and Honda's already putting billions of dollars for EV plant, you kind of see the way the future is going anyway. And then the report says that the TLX could come back as far as the TLX name goes, but it could be a full EV. So it's going to be hard to find a straight gasoline engine without having some hybrid technology in there. And I'm personally not sold on an EV at this point. It's too new technology. There's a lot of issues with them right now. Maybe in 5-10 years from now, maybe. But right now, I enjoy this. I'm sure you guys will enjoy yours or your Accord. But unfortunately, the market does change, and you've seen it time and time again that you might like a certain vehicle, and 10 years later, it's no more. So again, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. If you haven't heard about the story circulating right now, time will tell. I'm sure 2025, January, February, you'll start hearing if it is going to happen, that will be the last run of the TLX. And like I said, it kind of, everything points to that direction, just the way things are. So if you're on the fence about it, you're kind of waiting, hopefully interest rates come down a little bit. But if you do really want one, I would pick one up, because after next year, if you are going to get one, it might be some EV or hybrid, but more than likely it won't have the driving characteristics that the 2.0 offers that we all enjoy. So again, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Maybe it'll help you out if you're on the fence about it, make a decision for you. But if not, just throw some information out there and keep everyone informed. So again, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on this. I appreciate it as always. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.